Hi, this is Abhinay, and this is my 18 months update now. So I have completed 18 months, and yes, my results, I'm really happy with my results. And the good thing about my transplant is that the transplant is so natural, and everything was so perfect that no one can recognize that this is a transplanted hair. Yes, I'm saying this again and again because I'm really happy when I meet patient and they are not able to recognize that this is the transplanted hair. Another good thing about my hair transplant is that I can keep any hairstyle which I want. So now I'm keeping this ponytail hairstyle. So I think in last 1 year I kept almost around more than 20 hairstyles. I mean, you can see all my hairstyle in my last 4 to 5 videos, where like I kept long hair, I kept short hair, I kept buzz cut, I kept crew cut. I changed my hairstyle very frequently, and yes, I'm very happy. And you can see my entire 18 months journey on this video.
Are Dr. Pradeep Sethi and Dr. Arika Bansal. And the clinic is Eugenix Hair Sciences in India.